Karanda ng game 3 or uuwi na ba tayo? Sabi ng barangay Anulod, and let's start the first period for the second game of championship. Barangay GP Laurel Poblacion versus the barangay Anulod.
Oy, oy.
Dong, badong.
And battle for the tumble, Madrid and Ramos. This time, Avalos ang makakabulot. 2 points. Awan Valdez, number 28. Bibigay naman ang kahusay ang number 8.
Erong ka nung.
Kahusay to Clarence. Clarence ngayon to Mika. Matt Madrid. Bara on GP Laurel Street, Poblacion. This time on his tire, number 10 is Tayo ngayon. He diretso, it's a 2 points on his tire. Yun ba to Valdez sa number 28. Lalapit si Nico Valdez. It's a basket, 2 points also. 4-2, official score. Lamang ng 2 puntos ngayon ang GP Laurel. Inside pass to Madrid. Madrid. Dalawang nakataas ang kamay pero basket 2 points. This time, Gundayao make a play. Bigayan Nico Valdez to Ramos. Ramos naman nagkakalapit. It's a basket count. May kasamang foul na number 19. Personal foul on number 19. On a free throw for Ramos on number 23. Basket also for the Valas free throw. Istayo ngayon. Bibigay kay Madrid. 6-5, official score, 6-5. 2 points. 8-5. This time, Gundayao to Ramos. Lalapit, but no good. Para kay Madrid. Madrid ngayon to Istayo. No basket, but connects a foul for Istayo. For the first team foul. First personal foul at number 5 on Gundayao. 2 points for the free throws of Istayo. This time to Gundayao. Gundayao ngayon, bigay naman ang number 8. No good. Ramos. Lalabas pero makukuha yan ang Dumatay Arsen. Istayo ngayon. It's a basket on Istayo. Loses the handle at mapupunta ang bola on GP Laurel Poblacion. Arsen to Istayo, number 10, looking for our receiver. Bigay naman on Avalos. Avalos, Bambos. Is Palo Abed, so 2 points on Dumatay, number 11. 5 minutes and 25 seconds on the first period. This time, Nico Valdez. Bigyan naman ang Gundayao to Kahusay. Share mo. No good. Ramos saves the ball. Turn around jumper. But no good. Defensive rebound para kay Madrid. Pass break at libre sa Istayo. It's a 2 points. And call the first timeout for Barangay Anulod. Our official score is 16-5. 11 puntos na kalamangan para sa GP Laurel Street and Poblacion. This time, Valdez sa number 28. It's a short. At bola magpupunta para sa GP Laurel ang Barangay Poblacion. Israel ngayon. Bibigay na libre si Gumantay but no good. Bibigay naman ng Ramos. Ramos to Clarence Valdez is the basket. Clarence Valdez with that to 2 points. Madrid ngayon strongly guarded by Clarence. Bigay ang Abanas to Estayo. Is a basket. 2 points. And number 10 is Estayo. Bigay naman ng kahusay to Nico. Running shot at sa basket. 2 points on Nico Valdez. This time on Estayo. Number 10 is Estayo. Makakaraan sa apat but no good. Jubilang lang substitution. Number 5 is out replaced by Quinto. This time ngayon ang number 10. Magkukuha ang Quinto. Kapapasok lang yan. Bibigyan naman ang Quinto down. But no good. This time to Arson. Arson naman this time Dumantay. But no good. Nandyan si Madrid para kumuha ng bola. It's a 2 points on Madrid. Clarence to Bagas on number 28. Now to Kahusay. Basket 2 points. Really shot. Arson naman on number 11. Bigyan naman ang Madrid. Muntik mabitawan ng Madrid. But saves the ball again. This time, Avalos naman 10 seconds to shoot. No basket, but connects to foul on number 28 on Nico Valdez. Substitution up. Dumantay, number 11, and number 22 is out. Substitution also. Ramos is out, and this time take a 2 bonus free throw on number 30, Avalos. First throw was so good. Basket, substitution. Avalos is out at papalitan ng Simon Soriano. Kahusay to Valdez on number 28. Now to Kahusay. Natapikan at makukuha ang Estayo. Basket 2 points para kay Estayo. Number 28 on Nico Valdez. Nico Valdez ngayon. To number 30, non-Quinto, but block. Wala pa rin. Quinto natapikan ng Madrid. Madrid this time. Sa Sagasa. That commands the foul on number 28 on Nico Valdez. Second personal foul on number 28. There's first basket for number 19. And this time for the second free throw of Joshua Madrid. No basket. Iluna pa rin. No good. And loses the handle for Barangay Anulid. Last touch substitution. Number 28 is out. Papalitan ng Guntayaho, number 5. Diluna for the baseline inbound. Madrid ngayon. But no good. Dala na sila. Makukuha ang Quinto. This time, Clarence naman. Didiretso ba si Clarence? It's a perimeter jumper, but no good for 2. Madrid. This time is Tayo. Muntik nang mabitawan. Sundot pa rin tayo. Last time.
Wow.
This time, Sampaga, number 8, 2. Simon, back to Sampaga. No good.
Wow.
Defensive rebound by Kahusay to Clarence. Clarence ngayon. Ibibigayan Gundayaw. Natapigan pero makukuha pa rin. Gundayaw. At Kahusay with the 2 points on Kahusay. It's a traveling violation. 25-13. Our official score. 12 puntos para sa Barangay Poblacion ng GP Laurel Street. And that's 2. Gundayaw kayo naman para kay Quinto. Bibigay naman ang Kahusay. This time to Clarence Valdez. Diretso. Iiwan para kay Pinlacon number 15. It's a basket. 2 points on Pinlac number 15. 1 minute at the time remaining. It's a basket, 2 points. 50 seconds. Clarence Khan on number 3. Patay si Soriano. Soriano. Di makalapit si Valdez. 10 seconds to shoot. Now on Gundayaw. Napakagandang play sa nalan, but no good. 30 seconds. 25 seconds. Only 25 seconds. This time, Viluna to Madrid. Madrid ngayon, 20 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. And connects a foul on number 3 on Clarence Valdez. Biluna ngayon to Simon. This time, bibigay again. That connects a foul on number 5 for Gundayaw. Connects a foul on number 5. Penalty situation. It's a penalty situation. 26-15. Our official score, 26 lang yan. No good for the first. And this time for the second free throw. 12.6 seconds. 5 seconds. Kahusay. Bibigay naman. On Quinto. 5 seconds. It's a no basket for the last shot. Our official score is 27-15. Our official score 27-15. Okay. And sideline inbound para kay Kahusay on number 8. This time Nico Badas to Clarence. Fires a 3. That's no good for 3. This time is tayo. Bigay naman ng number 24, Diluna, pero natapikan ng Nico Bagas. Nico naman, but no good. At bola mapupunta ang GP Laurel Poblacion.
Sorry ma'am, nagip kayo. Mukhang ang ganda nyo naman.
This time is tayo. Is tayo ngayon ang number 10. Bibigay naman ang Abalos. But no good. Matatapik ang number 22, but still this time on Barangay Anunod. Napitawan ni Kahusay pero makukuha pa rin. No basket. Ramos saves the ball. Natapikan Abalos. No good. Clarence Bagas. Bibigay on number 28. Tatlo ang bantay. At bola. Nasa sa Barangay Anulid. Yung ilaw po, pakipatay yung ilaw, saglit. Oh, sige, thank you.
Gaman na lang, automatic.
Number 28, bibigay naman. On Clarence, pero muntik ng maagawan. Kahusay, side pass. Pero no good. Bibigay na lang on Ramos. No good pa rin. And to Max, number 22, to Max foul on number 22. Substitution. First personal foul on number 22 on Manzan for the on the first team foul and 2 free throws for Valdez. First throws basket hole. And this time for the second free throw. It's a basket. 2 free throws. 2 points for the free throws. Bumatay number 28, Madrid naman. No good for 3. At same ball pa rin tayo. Last touch para sa Barangay Anulid. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Di muna pero napalakas. Clarence ngayon. Clarence pa rin, slowly guarded by Simon to Kahusay. Kahusay ngayon to Nico Valdez. Bantay si number 28 ang bumantay. Muntik na bitawan. 5 seconds to shoot. No basket. Makukuha ang Diluna. This time Diluna to Soriano. Soriano naman. Now on Diluna. Diluna this time. Turn around para mapatapikan. Nico Valdez this time. At wala mapupunta ang GP Laurel Poblacion. Substitution up. 27-19, our official score. Madrid this time. Madrid ngayon, strongly guarded by Clarence Valdez. Bibigay on Jumantay on number 28, but no basket. Avalos saves the ball.
Lost ball.
It's the same ball. 12 seconds on the shot clock. 12 seconds to shoot. Simon ngayon to Madrid on number 19. And it's a 3 points on Madrid. Nico Valdez on number 28. Nico ngayon. Bibigay ang Kahusay. Matukuha on number 8 on Sampaga. This time Madrid. At bola mapupunta on Barangay Anulid. 4 minutes and 20 seconds on the time remaining. On the second period, Clarence ngayon. Hindi may pagsagang bantay si Avalos. Now on Nico Valdez. Iiwan at sa 2 points on number 8, Kahusay.
Pwesto!
May kulimlim.
No good for Sampaga. Defensive rebound on Ramos to number 15, Pilak. Pero Lucas ng handle. Now on Madrid. Bigay naman ng Sampaga. It's a 2 points. Now on Valdez, number 28. Nico Valdez, iiwan para kay Ramos. At same ball pa rin tayo. Last touch para sa GP Laurel on Barangay Poblacion. Dalawang batay. Sampaga to Madrid. Madrid ngayon nagmamadali sa basket. Barangay Anulid. Number 5 on Gundayaw. Now on Miko Bagas. No good. That saves the ball by Ramos. It's a basket. Houston by the glass of Ramos. Madrid on number 90. Madrid pa rin. Diretso si Madrid. Pero dumaan lang sa goal. Now on Nico Valdez. Libre. It's up to points on number 28. Ramos pa rin. It's a basket of Ramos. Makikuha ang Madrid. Bibigay ang Kalumin this time. Balik ang Arsen. It's a basket on Jumantay. Number 11. 2 minutes 21 seconds. Kahusay number 8. Bibigay ang Ramos. At call na timeout para sa GP Laurel Poblacion. Baba sa 7 puntos ngayon ang inahabol ng Barangay Anulid. And the time remaining. At 7 puntos na lang ang inahabol ng Barangay Anulid. 26-29 our official score. Estrella this time, bigay naman on Jumantay para makukuha yan ng Ramos. Steal by Ramos to Nico. Balik kay Ramos. It's a basket. Nice play for Nico Bagas on Ramos. Number 10 on Estrella this time. Estrella na yan. Diretso sa Estrella. It's a basket. 2 points for Estrella. Kahusay ngayon. Nico Bagas, beginning for jumper. Single pa rin tayo. Last touch on Jumantay. Only 12 seconds to shoot. 12 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. This time, Marbalos. That connects a foul on number 28 connects a foul. It's your third personal foul. I'm sorry, this is your third person. No good. Barangay Anulid substitution. Nico Valdez papalitan dahil sa kanyang 3 foul on Quinto on number 13. Madrid, baseline inbound, bibigay naman ang Kalimlim on number 5, Kalimlim. That connects a foul on number 23. For the second team foul, Arsen ngayon libre sa perimeter jumper, but no good. Matikuha pa rin ang Quinto. This time to Bundalaw sa basket, 2 points. This time Madrid. No basket. 15 seconds. That connects a foul on number 30. Papalitanan Soriano. Also with Arsen. Number 11. Papalitanan Sampaga. Another substitution. Madrid is out. Replace on Di Luna. First personal foul on Abalos for the second team foul. It's 3 points and number 2 35 seconds. Kalimlim this time. Kalimlim lang. 2 points on Sampaga. 25 seconds. Only 25 seconds. That connects a foul on number 8 connects a foul on Sampaga. 21 seconds. Only 21 seconds. And call a timeout on Barangay Anulid. Only 21 seconds. 1 second.
Go, Ramos!
Number 23, 2. Now on Ramos. Nakikitayan ni Ramos. Pero saves pa rin. May good. 10.8 seconds. Only 10.8 seconds. Simon this time. To Deluna, number 24. 5 seconds. Lalapit is tayo sa basket. On the end of the second period. The boging tayo and is a third period. Change court na tayo. Is tayo. Bigay naman ng Kalimlim. It's a 2 points. This time number 5. Gundayaw. That is a white lane violation for Valdez on number 3. This time is Tayo. Bigay naman ang number 24. Turnaround jumper. Aray! Kinabot na lang. Kinalawit na lang niya. Miko Valdez. This time on Kahusay. Number 8. But no good. Makukuha pa rin ang Kalimlim. Pero maagaw ni Miko Valdez. Diretso si Ramos. 2 points in number 8, Kahusay.
Ayun na! Dili niyo! Ikaw na dito!
Sampaga naman.
Oh, yan!
Kalimlim na naman with 2 points. This time on Miko Valdez on number 28. Pass to Kahusay. Mabitawan. Para makukuha. Estayo ngayon to Sampaga. Pero mali ang pagkapasa. This time number 2 on Valdez. It's the 2 points on Valdez.
Asin!
Estayo ngayon to number 28 on Dumantay. That is Estayo. He's a pass, pero connects a foul on number 23 on Ramos. For the first two foul of Barangay Anunit. This time is Tayo.
Oh, ayan!
They put on by Sampaga, but no good. Kahusay ngayon sa number 5 and Gundayaw. Iiwan para kay Valdez. But no good. Ramos to Miko Valdez. No good. Number 8, Sampaga. Estayo. Bigay naman ng Kalimlim. Thanks. It's the 2 points. Siyempre, kailangan yung mag-take. Defensive rebound para kay Kalimlim. Kalimlim iniwan para kay Estayo.
Yung ano, ayan o! Oh, ayan o!
Si Dumantay, Estayo, mabibitawan, but saves by Dimuna. Kahusay naman si Clarence Valdez. Si Miko. Si Clarence is good. Now on Dimuna. Dimuna na yan. Susubukin. Saves by Alton. Sampaga is the basket. 2 points on Sampaga. 10 minutes and 30 seconds on the third period. Kahusay is a basket. Diluna to Dumantay. This time on number 28. Bibigay naman ang Kalimlim na Cabrera para shot. Sampaga It's a basket. 2 points on Mount John Sampaga. Basket, 2 points on Kahusay.
Ayan na,
It's
patayin
tayo
na
ngayon.
kasi.
It's tayo ngayon.
Ayan na.
At bola mapupunta para sa Barangay Anunod. Substitution. Substitution also. Number 46, official score, 8 puntos. Pero Blas ang inabot, kalimlim, this time. To number 8, Kahusay, it's a shot. Nine seconds on the shot clock. This time. 8 seconds on the shot clock. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Kahusay. Libre din si Gundayaw sa basket ang Gundayaw. 3 minutes 28 seconds. 6 na puntos na yan ang kalamangan para sa poblasyon ng GP Laurel State. Madrid magkakasubukan but cannot foul on Clarence on number 3. Personal foul on Clarence Berdos for the second team foul of Barangay Anulid. Madrid, bibigyan ni Estaya, number 10, Jay Abalos. Estaya saves the ball, but connects the foul on number 15 on Pinlat, number 15 connects the foul on number 15. There's personal foul on number 15. Usog po ng konti para sa bench ng Barangay Anulid. Usog po ng konti. First strike. Nothing but net for the first throw of Estero. At ngayon naman para sa kanyang ikalawang free throw. Basket, 2 points for the free throws of Pons Estero. This time, Nico Bagues strongly guarded. Bibigay naman ang Gundayaw looking for our receiver. Kahusay, inside pass to Nico Bagues to number 15. It's a basket, 2 points on number 15.
Ayan na, oh.
2 minutes and 45 seconds is Tara. But no good, number 21 on Simon Soriano. 12 seconds on the shot clock, 12 seconds to shoot. Bigay naman ng kalimlim, but no good. Abalos, saves the ball. Pero mapupunta sa Barangay Anulid ang ating bola. Number 20.
Shot! Ang layo!
No good. Kapapasuha. At bola mapupunta on GP Laurel Street. Barangay Poblacion. Bigay naman ang kalimlim, number 5. Is Tayo. Simon this time. Labas is Tayo. Is Tayo.
Ayan na! Ayan na!
Warning for Jana. Two minutes and 2 seconds of the time remaining. This time, Nico Bagues. Bagues pa rin. Bibigay kay Clarence. Clarence ngayon.
Green, dapat hinaharap nila yan.
Clarence ngayon.
Shot!
It's the team. Clarence and Clarence. Bagues. Tatlong puntos na lang. Diba sa tatlong puntos? is the basket, 2 points. 1 minute 30 seconds.
Shot!
Nagib. Gundayan. Pero wala. At bola mapupunta ang GP Laurel. Number 8 ang Kahusay commands to follow 3 throws. First throw. Is being charity on the free throws. 59-53, our official score. Number 15 this time to lap. Looking for our receiver. At bola mananatili ang Barangay Anulid. This time Gundayao. And it's 3 points on Gundayao, number 5. It's a 1 minute and the time remaining. Madrid. It's a basket counted at may kasamang foul para kay number 15. This is your third personal foul on number 50. No basket. Nakukuha ni Kalimlim. Kalimlim ngayon that connects. Connects the foul on number 8, Kahusay. It's a guilty on the pushing foul para kay Kahusay. First serve.
Mukha ng baray si Binti.
At bola, maging steady ang bola on Poblacion, JP Laurel. 44 seconds, only 44 seconds. Avalos. Single pa rin tayo, GP Laurel, Poblacion. 42 seconds, Madrid this time. Madrid, Kalimlim, kumuha na lang sa easy 2 points para kay Kalimlim. 30 seconds. But Madrid, Kalimlim to Madrid, 20 seconds. Shot clock is up, 15 seconds. To Kalimlim, bibigay naman ang Madrid. It's a basket, nice play. 9 seconds. Mabibitawan, 5 seconds. It's a no basket. Nico Bagas this time on number 28. No good for the 3. Ramos naman is a basket. 2 points for Ramos. Number 28 on Dumantay. Bibigayan Madrid. Madrid this time. It's a 2 points on Madrid. Number 19. Please get ready on the white and the red team. Gundayan. Not no good. Makukuha ba on Estayo? This time Estayo. Masyadong malakas yung pasang yun. Hindi nagkaintindihan on Madrid. Number 3 on Clarence. Clarence ngayon. Clarence. Bibigayan Ramos. But no good. Balo. Gundayaw is the basket. 2 points on Gundayaw. Makukuha pa rin. But no good. Number 8. Rizal is the basket. Last 8 minutes, 30 seconds. This time, Avalos. Avalos naman is a basket on Avalos. This time, Nico Bagas, Gundayaw. Napilitan na lang, it's a basket on Gundayaw. And connects a foul on number 28. This is your fourth personal foul on Valdez, number 28. Substitution. Kapalitan tuloy si Valdez para sa kanyang pang-apat na foul. This time, Madrid ngayon. Bibigyan naman ang number 10, Estaya this time. At Blanca Gonabet, Gimbalao. Para makakuha ng Kalilin. Back sa foul ang number 23. Number 23. For the second team para Barangay ulit.
Bola pa tayo dyan!
This time Madrid yan. Strongly guarded by Valdez. That's a defensive foul on number 28. It's a defensive foul on number 28. Jumantay. Substitution up. Jumantay on number 28 is out. 76-6 official score. Apat na puntos na lang. This time on Clarence. Bibigay naman ang Ramos. Patatapikan. Nakukuha pa rin ang Ramos. Nag-move on. Looking for an receiver to Kalilin. Connects the foul on number 23. This is your fourth personal foul on Ramos, number 23. Abalos this time. Bibigay naman ang Simon Soriano. Simon Ram. That connects the foul on number 8 on Kahusay. Connects the foul on Kahusay. Call a timeout for GP Laurel State Barangay Poblacion. This time, this laging down on Madrid. Bigyan naman ng Simon. Bibigay ang Kalilin. It's a basket, 2 points for Kalilin. Last 7 minutes on the time remaining. With basket, same ball pa rin tayo. This time, number 3 on Clarence. Iiwanan ng bantay, but no good. Kalilin. For the defensive rebound for Kalilin. Now on Abalos. Abalos ngayon. Looking for a receiver to Simon Soriano. This time, but no good. Kalilin pa rin. Basket. Isinubo na lang. Connects the foul on number 15. Connects the foul on number 15. Pilat. This is your fourth personal foul on number 15. This time for the bonus free throw of Kalilin. Basket also for the bonus free throw. This time on Gundayao. It's a basket count at may kasamang foul para kay number 30 on Avalos connects the foul.
Short ball! Basket!
No good for the bonus free throw of Kahusay. This time Madrid. Looking for a receiver. Bigyan ang Simon Soriano.
Ayun na!
Madrid ngayon. No good. Pasa yan kay Avalos. Pero di nakuha ng Avalos. This time Kahusay naman. May basket. Is tayo ngayon. Susubukin si Clarence. Bibigyan na lang kay Kalilin. That connects the foul on number 5 connects the foul on Gundayao. Number 5. 5 minutes and 50 seconds. First place, basket. And this time for the second free throw.
Ganitong paga na yan. Ganitong paga ay. Oh! Very good na. Oh!
No good. Madrid. Para makukuha pa lang. Kalanglim. Kalanglim. No good. 12 seconds to shoot. Madrid na yan. Played away, but no good. Makukuha pa rin ng number 7. This time, number 7 pa rin. That connects the foul. On number 21, Simon Soriano. Substitution. First personal foul on Simon. And for the second team foul.
Yan ang mga tanong nga repair. Ito
Connects a foul on number 8, Sampaga.
Hoy! 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 Yaman!
time out tayo.
Hoy!
Technical ka.
Benjamin!
Technical ka.
Mag-time out daw kayo pag
Coach, alin kayo dito? Dito kayo, coach. Dito kayo. Anong papel nun? Anong papel niya sa team niyo? Assistant coach o sige, tatanungin lang natin, ha?
G! Hoy!
Okay, assistant coach po yan. Nagtatanong siya. Pero sa uulitin, wala pong basta-basta papasok ng court. Dito po kayo magtatanong, ano? Para maayos natin itong palarong ito. Magtatanong kayo dito, ita-time out natin, ano? Technical foul for the bench of Barangay Emilid.
Susuro mo eh. Tatanong ang gagalaw mo eh. Kaya ipa-time out.
Tigas sa ulo natin! Play lang, please!
And for the technical free throw, there is a basket for McGray. Okay lang po yung magtatanong, basta dadaan pa rin kayo sa table official. Dahil nasa proper play tayo, bawal pumasok ng court.
Sure pass, Jesse, sure pass.
And this time for the number 7, Clarence naman. It's a basket foul that may kasama ng foul para kay number 8 ang Sampaga, connects foul on Sampaga. It's your third personal foul on Aljan Sampaga. For the third team foul. Official score is 77-72. 5 puntos pa rin ang Kalamangan.
Basket!
Very good. At bola on Barangay. This time, sideline inbound para kay Gundaya on number 5. To Valdez. 10 seconds to shoot.
Shot!
No good. Estaya, bibigay naman ang Madrid. Madrid. That connects the foul on number 7. Connect number 7. First throw is basket for Joshua Madrid. And this time for the second free throw. It's a basket. This time, Gundayao. Bibigay naman ang Kahusay. That offensive foul on number 8, Kahusay. It's your fourth personal foul on number 8, Kahusay.
Apa?
This time on this tayo, number 10. Madrid naman ngayon. Looking for ang receiver, Sampaga. No good. Winner out para sa kanyang 3 points. Bagas na yan, si Gundayaw, nakabuelo, bibigay naman ng kahusay. No basket, but the next foul. 8, Sampaga. And call a timeout on Barangay Anulit. This is your 4th personal foul para kay Aljon Sampaga. 7 puntos ang Kalamangan. First throw is basket, nothing but net on first throw. And this time for the second free throw. Not no good. Defensive rebound para kay Madrid. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Madrid on number 19. Looking for our receiver, 2. Arslan, dumantay to Kalimlim. Basket, 2 points. 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Kahusay sa basket, 2 points. This time on Estaya, number 10. Bibigay naman on Abalos to Arson sa basket, 2 points para kay Dumantay. That connects a foul on number 10 on Estaya. Penalty situation.
Basket!
Our official score 83-75, 83-75. First throw is no basket, and this time for the second free throw. Is no good, number 11 for Dumantay. Dumantay ngayon, bibigay naman ng Avalos to Estaya. Inside pass para kay Kalimlim, dalawang bantay. Saves by Madrid. At bala mapupunta on Barangay Anulit. Minutes and 29 seconds. Please get ready para sa red and white on the intercolor. $83-75. It's a 3 points para kay Juarez Bagas. This time on number 19, Madrid. Madrid ngayon. May basket. Makukuha ang Ramos. Ramos ngayon. Si Juarez Bagas. Bibigay naman ang Gundayaw. Tatlong puntos na lang ang Kalamangan para sa Jubilee World Federation. Dumantay, this time, dumantay. Estaya, di makalapit, bibigay. Ang Kalimlim. It's a jump ball. Swing ball pa rin tayo. It's a swing ball ang Barangay Poblacion. 8 seconds on the shot clock. It's 8 seconds on the shot clock. This time Madrid. Madrid ngayon, nalibre para Avalos. Bibigay ang Kalimlim. Nakulawang pagsuhan Kalimlim. Last 2 minutes, 25 seconds. Avalos this time strongly guarded. Nares naman. Bibigay ang Miko Bagas. Miko. Dadaanan ng dalawa. Tugahusa para short. Makukuha pa rin. This time, Ramos, mabibitawan. 10 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. This time on Gundayaw, libre. No good. Sa elbow. Last 1 minute, 58 seconds. Last 1 minute, 58 seconds. 85-80 official score. Gundayaw. Maluwang na pasarahan. Madrid, this time, Madrid. Is the basket. 2 points on Madrid. Last 1 minute, 45 seconds. Save the ball on Nico Bagas. At single pa rin tayo. Last touch para kay Kalimliwan, number 5.
Bola!
This time on number 28 on Nico Bagas.
Ayan, ganyan! Screen! Screen!
Nico Bagas na yan. Save the ball, 10 seconds to shoot.
Shot!
Madrid for the defensive rebound. Last 1 minute 25 seconds. Is tayo to Kalimliwan.
Ayan na!
Kalimliwan na yan. Dununa is a basket. 2 points. Last 1 minute 15 seconds. Gundayaw na yan, but no good. Inside is tayo. To Abalos, turn around. Jumper! It's a 2 points.
Sakay!
Labing isang puntos, 91-80. Last 58 seconds.
Last game, ano na?
Very good. This time on Dununa. Last 50 seconds. Last 40 seconds.
Dito ulan eh. Bola.
And that's a foul on number 23 on Ramos. That's a foul. Fouled out on number 23, penalty situation. Here's first basket. And this time for the second free throw. Kalimlim, so short. Nagtawa na lang si Kalimlim. Last 25 seconds. This time on number 28, Nico Valdez is a basket. 18 seconds. It's a 10 seconds. Okay, 1-1 ang ating standing. Bukas para sa ating last game on the last 3 games, magkakaroon nga tayo ng 3rd game para sa Barangay Anulog at Barangay Pagmasyahan ng Zigilawel. Okay.